What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sneakerbot Club, where we post live cops, tutorials, and reviews. Today I have a quick live cop video of me grabbing a couple pairs of the Yeshaya Reflective Yeezys from KITH and DSM using Nike Shoebot. Be sure to stick around until the end if you want to learn about the exact setup I used to help me cop these shoes. Alright guys, just sit back and enjoy.
You got the sauce, bitch. You got the sauce, bitch.
Alright, now let's go over the exact settings I used on this release. So I'm using Nike Shoebot on an Amazon Virginia server. I'm using a server because I'm on the West Coast and Virginia servers give you the best response time for Shopify sites. For proxies, I'm only using 25 Oculus all-in-one Virginia proxies. Now for the tasks, let's start up with KITH. I ran a couple with safe mode. We'll go with keywords Yeezy, 350 boost. I choose my profile, choose my proxies, force captcha is on, and for my timeout settings I use 7,000 about a minute before the release and a couple seconds before I'll drop it down to 1,000. What I did was 4 tasks of safe mode, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I did 4 with cyborg mode, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. I only had 8 tasks. I highly recommend using fewer tasks than normal just because you don't want to get overwhelmed with a bunch of captchas, and I find that the quicker you solve captchas, the greater your chances of success. So right before the drop, what I like to do is open up all of the captcha solvers. I feel like it just saves that split second where if a captcha is requested, you have to wait for it to open up. So I have all of mine open. And on one of my best Gmail accounts, I'm gonna go ahead and open the checkpoint solver. Then I'll start the tasks about a minute before the drop. Then I'll start solving captchas. I'll continue to solve captchas. A couple seconds before the drop, I'll click on edit all. I'll go timeouts, change everything to 1000, and I'll continue to solve captchas. And that's all it really takes. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys learned something, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. And if you have any other video ideas or any questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. Alright guys, peace.